Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy DanceMan74, and today I'm at my nana's and granddad's house. Got a nice garden. I have my grappling hook right here. Where is it? Here. Got my grappling hook here, got my hook and launcher there, and I'm just going to do some firing tests. Yeah. If you get bored, just comment down below. Nope. How to get a good angle. It's not like a weird butt shot. Okay, that's a good enough shot. First things first. First things first, gonna pump up the launcher. So pressurizing after I've armed it. Don't judge my methods, I'm using my weight to pump this up. Ooh. Fully pressurized. Loading up. I'm preparing to launch. They didn't go too high. But to be fair, I wasn't expecting it to go too high. I didn't try as hard to get the pressure into this than I was before. I was doing a couple of pre-tests, and it went really far. Well, far compared to other tests. Other tests, you go from like here to where that little loop is in the rope. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 7 Daniel feet. So yeah, went about 7 Daniel feet forwards to start with, and before I launched, and then I launched it from this exact spot, and I went all the way over to the wall right over there, right by the little house over there. There's about 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, about 15 feet. 15 feet. I don't know how big my foot is. But using my foot, it went about 15 feet. That was an extra 8 feet, I think. If I did my math right. Yes. So, this thing, it may not have a reservoir, which is going to be a CO2 cartridge, but it has power still, even though it's very minimal. Yes, it still has power. We just need to add a reservoir that will allow us to send it flying. Hi. Making a video. Hi. I was just doing some firing tests.
Oh, right. How's it going, son?
Going alright.
Good.
First,
how many PSI were you running?
max on the thing.
Max on the thing.
On the max on the pump.
And how much is that?
Maximum rotation.
Not a clue, have you?
No, I didn't keep count. All I did was look until
it's about
I didn't keep count.
If my memory serves me well, it's about 150 PSI on that pump.
Yeah. I got 150 PSI then. And first shot, it launched about 7 of my feet. Right?
7 foot.
Yeah. Then the second shot, what I did was like
Slammed it.
yeah, and it went about 15. It went an extra 8 feet. And I also tried a height test. I don't know how high it went. Don't know how high it went. Yeah, this is currently the back cave of where this is being made.
This is our mini factory.
This is our mini.
This is Grandad's shed.
This is my granddad's garage, and we have a milling machine and a lathe in the corner. Not corner, sorry, just over here. Yeah, nice milling machine and lathe. Milling machine, lathe. We have another milling machine slash lathe being built over here.
At least you know it works.
We got a belt sander over here.
Um,
Got another milling machine. We also have a motorbike. Also have a motorbike. I'm making a video.
Oh, right, what up?
Say hi.
I'm sure
Jack, say hi. Say hi to the 8 viewers
Right.
that are gonna be, that most hopefully will be watching. Yeah. Jack, say
Right,
hi.
just a minute.
Okay, I'll
Let's
wait.
see if I can get this sorted again.
Okay.
I mean, there won't
Nana?
be a car and a horse, would there?
Nana.
No.
Say, Nana, say hi.
Hello. Hi.
To my 8 viewers watching. Yeah. So, yeah, just doing a couple of firing tests. Currently, my granddad's doing stuff with my mum's dollhouse stuff over here. Doing stuff with the door. Not exactly sure what with the door. Okay. So, yeah. Luckily, we're not going into my nan and granddad's house. We're just near their house. We're near the house, so I'm gonna say it don't count as we're being in the house.
We're outside.
We're outside of their house. We are outside of their house. See? The house right there, we're outside. It counts. What do you say being in the garage counts?
Not in the garage, doors open.
Fair point. Garage door's open, so we're technically not in the garage. I said so it counts. Comment down below if you agree. Oh, my head.
Social distanced.
Well, my dad and I don't need to. But, my granddad and I are social distanced. Say hi to the 8 people watching. Jack,
Oh, yeah.
say hi.
Alright. Alright, I'm on camera.
Yeah,
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
to the 8 people watching. Yeah.
Call it a day without them.
Well, Dad said call it a day.
We're just not
Yeah.
doing up construction.
Hey, hey, it's a nice vlog of our workshop, of
There
the
we go.
workshop, okay? Nice view, tour of the workshop, and yeah, it's also talking about something we could do with the spool, right? So, as you can see, there's a little gap right there. So, I have a small worry that the rope is going to get caught in that hole, and it's not going to work properly. Okay? So, what we're going to do, not sure if it's going to be today, but eventually, what we're going to do is we're going to put like a little buffer right there to stop, so there's no visible hole, and it's going to stop the rope getting caught in that hole and possibly stopping the spool from spinning. Yeah, so that's what we are going to eventually do. Oh, and if you recall in my other video, I also said we were getting some aluminium sheet, which we have right here. We have some aluminium sheets. So that we have to bend it on like a log to fit on my arm, and eventually it'll fit somehow. I don't know how. I really don't know what I'm saying. This is not
know how.
this is not scripted.
You don't say.
This is not scripted. I just thought I'd make a video, so I'm just making a video. Hey, here we are. Woohoo! This is not planned. Yeah, so tour of the workshop.
How you doing, mate? You want me to have a go?
Yeah, I'm gonna just ignore what they're doing because they're just doing stuff with Doll's House. I don't think you're gonna be too interested. I know, anyways, comment down below, because if you are, then maybe I'll do a dollhouse vlog on my mum's dollhouse. That is extremely large and takes up most of the stairs. Yeah. Yeah. I don't really know what I'm doing now. I'm just like showing off some stuff that could be good for an assassin. Thing. Wow, I'm really bad with the camera. Here we go. Can you see me? I'm the bow staff master. Don't anyone think otherwise. One thing I can't do is do like a toss in the air and then catch. That's the one thing that I've been trying to do, but I can't do it. I'm gonna try doing it now. Yep. Nope. Mm-mm. I've never actually done one of these spins on my left hand. Oh, now I have. I can't do it the other way though. Watch, then I can do it this way. Never mind. I can do it this way. I can also do it this way. But I can't do it. Damn it.
Battles, apples, I should say. It's getting a bit backendish, Martin.
Do you agree with them, the Bow Staff Master? Leave a like if you think I'm the Bow Staff Master. And subscribe if you want to see some more cool, weird, random stuff. If you like my channel, just subscribe. If you like my channel, subscribe if you like. So, yeah, I don't really have anything else to do. I just thought I'd show you some testing review on the workshop, which is over there. And I just thought of this now. Did you enjoy it all? Leave a like and subscribe if you did. And comment down below if there's anything else you'd like me to vlog. And I might make a video on it. Yeah, so hope I see you again, or make another video for you guys. You've been a great audience, and I will see you all next time. See ya!